Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Woyemi. Welcome to Earn in Dollars. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest method to change your nickname on Opay. So let's get started. If you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Samuel Woyemi. Go to the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel Earn in Dollars, so that when I post another video, you can get notified from YouTube. So I'm going to go to my Opay account. Can see now. So this is my Opay. So okay, this is my home. You can see when you click on that, this is the first page that is going to bring up, and you are going to click on your profile at the top here, like you can see. Then you are going to click on nickname. Can see there's a nickname here. You are going to click on that. Then you are going to, so the importance of this nickname is that it will help people to pay you with your nickname, like your friend, family can locate you with just your nickname. So this unpredictable media is not useful for me. People did not know me with it, so I want to create something that people recognize with me. So that is why I want to just do this guide, this tutorial to show you. And see now, then I'm going to save it. Save. Then that is how you can save your nickname on YouTube. There's my others video on about how to make money online. So they want to follow me on all my social media handles. The link is in the description below. Click on that. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.